for every dollar that YouTube gives you for getting all these tens of thousands of views, you could just be directly transacting with someone else directly and getting, 10 to 50 times that. You're getting all this traffic coming in, and like a funnel. If you imagine it like a fruit, you want to squeeze the most juice out of it. So if you're getting millions and millions of views and all you're doing is sharing the revenue off the ads, then you're letting a lot of juice, be left unsqueezed. Whereas if you're selling your own products, you're doing services, coaching, consulting, and that's really what you need to do if you want to survive as a content creator, and not everyone is going to get to 1 million subscribers, but even that, like, you might think like, oh, this person has 250,000 subscribers, they're rich. But a lot of times, people can have 500,000 subscribers on some of these platforms and still need to be working a job because they haven't been able to monetize that, or maybe they make a type of content that isn't advertiser friendly and they don't sell a product, and it's like they're famous online or they have a big network and a large following, but it doesn't pay the bills.